So the weekend has finally arrived and things start to slow down just a little bit. And I love to take a Saturday or a Sunday, get the whole family involved in something that I love to make, and that's pasta. Handmade pasta, believe it or not, is actually quite simple, especially making orecchiette. You pinch and roll, that's all it is. Orecchiette is called little ears, which my kids love because it's like baby ears. Making some little ears.
I'm making orecchiette!
You're making orecchiette! That's wonderful. First step in making orecchiette, a cup of flour, of course salt. Next, we're gonna make a little well in the center of the flour. Take an egg, lightly beat it, and pour right in the well. Start incorporating it, and once it starts to sort of begin the bind, we're gonna add a tablespoon of water. You're gonna wanna get it a little silky. For me, it takes about 3 tablespoons of water to really get that dough mound to form. She pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in a bowl and cover it with a damp towel for about an hour. There you go. She is so silky and beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide this into 4 quarters. And then take each little mound of dough and roll it out until you get a skinny log. So we have our logs. Now the fun part begins. We're gonna start pinching and rolling and making little ears.
Yes!
You want me to show you how to make orecchiette?
I know how.
Oh, you do?
Roll and get it off.
Yeah, you can roll it, you can press it, whatever you can do to get that little ear formation.
I roll it and press it.
I love it. So you guys are just little geniuses and you're already on it, and so I barely have to do anything, and you're gonna make dinner. Is that cool? So after your little ears are all beautifully arranged on the table, bring a pot of salted water to a boil, add them in. 2 minutes is all it takes. Those little babies are gonna float up to the top and you're ready. You take them out and it's so easy. The sauce is just a little bit of pasta water, needs a little bit of olive oil, needs some Parmesan. For the adults, you could add a lot of freshly ground pepper in and fresh basil. Who made this orecchiette for me?
We did.
You did! This dish gives you a chance to create something really cool out of nothing.
Who made this one?
That one looks pretty good. I bet that one's yours.
The weekend, you're thinking, it's a little bit more of a ritual, and I love a project that just gets everybody involved, and at the end, you have something that you made, and it's delicious. Hey guys, to see how to hand make other weekend dishes, subscribe below.